You've decided to invest in bonds but want to start safe? Which options should you pick if you are a conservative investor? Number 1. The gold standard are government bonds, also called government securities, backed by the Government of India. They offer peace of mind and near zero risk. Next, we have the state development loans issued by state government. They are almost as safe and sometimes pay you slightly higher yields. Then comes PSU bonds and tax-free bonds from government-backed companies like NHAI or PFC. These usually carry AAA ratings, and in case of tax-free bonds, your interest isn't taxed. Finally, for those wanting a bit more return, while still staying safe, AAA-rated corporate bonds are a good choice. They carry minimum risk and pay better than deposits. So, if you are a conservative investor, think of it as a spectrum, from rock-solid government securities to AAA corporates, where you can balance your safety and return. Have any questions on bonds? Drop your queries in the comments section. Keep watching Fixed Returns Academy.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments, mutual funds are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.